discuss about some plants fiber. First one is cotton. Cotton is the most natural used fiber. Cotton is also known as cotton wool. Student, cotton fiber come from the cotton plants, which are usually grown by the farmer, and cotton crop is usually grown at the place having black and warm climate, having black soil and warm climate. Student, in India, cotton is mainly grown in the state of Maharashtra and other parts of Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat. Students of fruits of cotton balls, also cotton plants are of the size of a lemon. After maturing, the cotton balls burst open to produce cotton seeds covered with white, soft cotton fibers. A field of cotton plants which is ready for picking cotton looks like a field covered with snow because all the plants have white cotton fibers at the top. See, it's a field of cotton plant. It's like a field of snow. It is a cotton ball. Okay, then the process continue here. Process of ginning. It means separating cotton fiber from the seed. It's a ginning. Okay, after so much processing, we get clothes. Clothes are made. Cotton is used for making clothes, dresses. Cotton is used for filing clothes, filling clothes, mattresses, quilts. The wicks of oil lamps are also made from cotton. So it's a very comfortable fiber to wear. In summers, we usually prefer to wear cotton clothes. Now come flax. So it's a flax fiber. Okay, see, it's a jute fiber and it's a coconut fiber. Flax is also a plant that gives fiber. The fiber obtained are called flax fibers or just flax. Fibers are obtained from the stem of flax plants. It is used for making clothes, and the clothes made of stem fiber is called linen. Student, linen are used for making bed sheets. Okay. Now comes a student jute. Jute is obtained from a stem of jute plant. See, it's a figure 7 jute fiber. Students, in India, jute is mainly grown West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, and it is cultivated mostly in rainy season. Student, jute is used for making ropes, jute bags or gunny bags. Okay. Paper is also made from plant. Students, paper is also made from plants. And student, we also have coconut fiber. The outer covering of the coconut also have some fiber on it. This is coconut fiber, and coconut fiber are used for making ropes and mats. Okay, students. Common name of coconut fiber is coir. The fiber obtained from wood are used for making paper. So paper is also made from plant. Now comes the hat making of fabric. Student, fabric are first converted to yarn by the process of spinning. Then fabric is made from yarn by the process of weaving and knitting. Okay, student, first point is making of yarn from fabric. Student, first of all, yarn is made from fiber by the process of spinning. In the process of spinning, fiber from the mass of cotton, wool, silk, and are drawn out and twisted. This brings the tiny fiber together to form the long and twisted thread. In this way, lump of cotton fiber, then cotton fiber are pulled down gently, twisted continuously one end to form yarn. Here, yarn is made. Student, yarn can be made by 3 devices: hand spindle, takli, spinning wheel, charukha, and spinning machine. So this is how we can spin the make the yarn. Next point is making fabric from yarn. Fabric are made from yarn, long thread by many processes, weaving and knitting. First one is weaving. Weaving means the process of making a fabric by arranging yarn, passing in one direction with another at the right angle to them. This is weaving. See, it's a handloom. It's weave yarn to make fabric. Handloom, make yarn to make fabric. Here, fabrics are arranged vertically or horizontally to make the fabric. When weaving of yarn to make fabric is done by looms. Okay, and now comes to knitting. Knitting means the process of making fiber by interknotting loops of a single yarn with knitting needles or machine. It's called knitting. It is done by hand by using knitting needles or also on machine. The simplest example of making fabric by knitting is the making of sweater. So it's a knitting example: sweater being made by knitting. Many items of our clothing like socks, vest, uh, underwear are made from machine knitted fiber. And if you pull a yarn from the pair of torn socks, you will find the single yarn comes out continuously as the fabric of the socks unwinds. This shows the knitted fabric are made of single yarn running throughout the fabric. So student, weaving and knitting are used for making different kinds of fabric. These fabric are then used for making various types of clothes, sweaters, shawls, socks and vests. Students, history of clothing material. Nowadays we made clothes made of various type of fabric to cover body. No fabric were available in the ancient time. Early man used to cover his body with the skin or with the trees barks, big leaf of trees first to cover themselves. See students, the picture of early man use animal skin to cover themselves. When people began to practice agriculture and settled at places near the sources of water, river, they learned to weave twigs, thin shoots of trees and grass to make mats, and after that vines, very thin stems of climbing plants and animal fleece such as sheath were twisted together to form long strands. Okay, and nowadays we wear clothes made of fabric. We wear different types of clothes. We wear fashionable clothes. So after the invention of sewing machine, people started stitching fabric to make different types of clothes. Okay students, so this is how we can we come from the early man used to learn wearing clothes. Now how stitching is available everywhere these days, but in our country still sari, dhoti, lungi, turban are used as unstitched pieces of fabric even today. Okay, thank you.